Hello everybody, this is my mother-in-law's channel and I will be showing you guys how to make yummy and delicious brownies. We will be using dates and not sugar, and instead of all-purpose flour, we will be using wheat flours to make it a little more healthier. So you can use it for your Rakhi and Friendship Day celebration. So let's see how to do it. For dry mixture, we have taken 3/4 cup of wheat flour. Now we'll add half cup of cocoa powder to it, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon table salt. Now we'll mix it. We'll be taking 1 cup of seedless dates and half cup of milk, and then we'll just blend it in a mixie to make a paste. The paste will be little thicker. I'll show you. The dates and milk paste is ready. You can see the consistency. So we'll use it later now. Now for the liquid mixture, we'll be taking 1 cup of curd. You can use condensed milk also instead of curd. 1 cup of oil I'm using. You can use ghee or butter instead of this. And half cup of milk. Now we'll mix it together. I will be adding the dates paste which we made earlier into this. Then mix it properly. Now we'll add little bit of dry mixture with the liquid mixture and keep on mixing it. Mix it properly like this. You can also check the consistency. It should not be very hard and it should not be very liquid also. Now we'll be adding approx 1/4 cup of walnut to add more nutritional value to it. Walnuts taste really delicious in brownies. You should add it. It's a must thing for brownie. Okay, so this is our pan. In this we will apply oil so that our brownie doesn't stick anywhere. You can also apply butter or ghee, whatever you have. We'll sprinkle all-purpose flour or wheat, whatever you want to sprinkle. This helps the brownie not to stick. We will spread it everywhere evenly like this. Now we'll pour our mixture into the batter. After putting all the batter in the pan, we'll just give it a beat so that there is no bubble. Now we'll put it in the oven. I have taken the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. I have preheated it for about 10 minutes. Now we'll put it in for around 25 to 30 minutes.